it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, after making you some amazing air fryer cookbooks, we had the complete air fryer cookbook first. Then we had air fryer easy every day. And we've also made you an amazing air fryer time and temp guide, which is brilliant for learning how long to cook everything in the air fryer. We also brought you the multi-cooker cooking guide. So what do you need alongside a multi-cooker cooking guide? So what cookbook do you think I'm doing next for you that I've wanted to tell you about for ages, but I just wanted to get it ready first? And I have got a big reveal coming for you today, and you can check out our brand new cookbook cover. I'm so excited about this and I can't wait to see what you all think about it. So I've had a lovely parcel from my publishers with the cover, and let's get it open and give you a look, shall we? So, shall we have a look inside? Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Get it open. What have we got in here? Oh wow, we're double packaged. I've not been double packaged before. Makes it even more exciting, doesn't it? Just frightened I'm going to actually cut into the cookbook here. Oh, coming in on the back and onto the front. And yes, we've got a multi-cooker cookbook. It's got 125 deliciously easy recipes and essential techniques, and we've spent ages making this for you. It's taken a lot of work so that we can balance it with all the different settings that it has. Just take a look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? And if you're wondering what type of multi-cookers it's for, well, it's for them all. We have got slow cooker recipes. We've got air fryer in there. We've got recipes that are perfect if you've got an Instant Pot, a Ninja Foodi, a Ninja Speedi. It's just brilliant because we can show you how all the settings work. We've also got a section based on functions, so you can easily find recipes depending on whether you have steam air fry, steam meals, you're just doing air fry. And then if you've got an Instant Pot and you haven't got all these bells and whistles that the Ninja Foodi's got, then it's also brilliant because there's also a lot of recipes there where you can pressure cook and then air fry. Or if you've got the Ninja Speedi, of course you can then steam and then air fry. And we're just so pleased with how this book's come together. You know, it's amazing to say that we're going to have the first traditionally published multi-cooker cookbook in the UK. Oh, it's just amazing, because I've had a lot of questions for Ninja Foodi cookbooks over the years. I thought we'd start first with our multi-cooker cooking times guide and then move on to a cookbook. And of course, we've got some brilliant traditional recipes going in there. So if you were to take a look at the front cover, you can see that we've got pie on the front page, we've got an risotto, we've got soup, we've got the steamed pudding that you've all been asking for. And even though you can see jam sponge on the front, we've also got another steamed pudding inside there as well. And of course, everything has both metric and imperial measurements, not just Celsius and Fahrenheit, but also all the cup measurements that you need if you're in the US. And then for the back cover, we have a beautiful potato casserole, Spanish style. It's absolutely amazing. We've also got some Hasselback carrots, we've got some asparagus with bacon, we've got a lasagna, we've even got homemade yogurt, granola, and of course our most requested recipe of them all, we've got pork with crackling using the probe. So I just can't believe that this has been made for you. I'm just so excited, and it just feels amazing to to finally reveal what we've been up to and all the hard work that we've put in for this for you. And of course, like I mentioned, it covers all the main functions of the multi-cooker. So whether that's pressure cooking, slow cooking, air frying, steaming, steam air fry, steam roast, steam bread, and the list goes on, doesn't it? There's just so many choices with them. And of course, we would really, really, really appreciate it if you could pre-order, because it makes such a big difference to authors. And of course, when you pre-order, you pay the best price possible. So if it drops in price after pre-ordering, then you're paying the lower price, which is just brilliant for you. And the more pre-orders you get, more retailers realise the popularity of the book, and then they drop the price because they want to be the most competitive. So if you wouldn't mind pre-ordering yourself a copy, I'll add the link below to pre-order, or simply go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books and you can see this book and the rest of our books over there. And thank you so much for watching this video and for all your support that you've given us across social media, emails, sharing, spreading the word, buying our past books. It just means an awful lot to us and we are so, so grateful. So thank you very much. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.